Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue working with the DM system. In this case we are going to work with the inbox right here. So we got our method to get the messages, I mean basically like the users or conversations. And so what we want to do is that when we open the inbox, we want to load the first user that's here. I mean like the last message from the first user. So we want to open that user and display all the directs. This will be like all the direct messages from that user. So oops, okay, so here. Oops, actually here. So yeah, let's just start with our views. Let's create our first view, and let's go to because we want, let me just copy this one, the login required decorator. Oops, nope, actually here. Okay, yeah, login required. So this view will be inbox, right? Inbox, check our request. Okay, and okay, we need to import the from direct.models import message. That's the name of our model. So here we want to get the messages, right? We want to store it here in messages, message that, and then our method get messages. And what we're doing here, user will be request.user. We're passing the user, oops, user will be user, right? Okay, now, so when these so in our menu in Bulma, as you can see, we have it's active thing right here. So we want to implement that too. So we want to identify that the user, I mean which user is active, not only for this color thing, but also to get the directs, because if we want to click on one user and then get all the directs from that user, right? So yeah, so now let's create a new active, oops, so I will name it active direct. You can name it active user if you want, but I will name it active direct, will be none. And then the direct, I mean, oops, let's go here, the direct, these are the directs none, right? So if we have messages, if we have messages, so the first message, right, will be from the messages 0, because we annotated that one, we're getting the first one, right? And the active direct will be message, this one, right? And user, that username, because we're getting the username, right? From the first direct, we're getting the username. This will be the active direct. You can name it active username or whatever. So direct will be message.objects.filter, and then user will be user, and recipient will be, oops, message user, right? Okay, so we have the direct, the user, and when we of course open the direct, we just read it, of course. So that's why we have now to update it's read true because we open it, we read it all. Of course we're opening here when we open the inbox, that's what we're doing here, right? So now for message in messages, if because we want to check, so we will have like a number of messages. Let's say this user sent us like 5 messages, right? We will have like a number, remember, like the unread thing. So it will be like, let's say 5. We want to like set it to 0, so we like kind of like update it here. So if message user that, oops, because let's check if the username it's equal to what? The active direct. So message unread will be 0, right? Pretty much, yep, that's how it is. Now context, and then we are passing the direct. Oops. In here, the messages. In here, after direct. After direct. Okay. Okay, now let's return this. First, let's get the template. Will be equal to loader that get template. Oh, we need to pass the template to our project. So let's go here. This is our, yeah, let's go download that. Here is our direct. Okay, let's copy that one. And then let's go to our project. And let's put in the templates here, but actually I'm going to create a new folder called direct. We're going to put it here. It's just less messy, you know. Okay, okay, get template and the path. So that's in direct and direct.html. Okay, in this return a HTTP response template that render. We're going to render the content and then request. Okay, we need to import that one. So from Django.http import HTTP response. Okay. Oh, and also loader, right? This is from Django.template import loader. Save. Okay, let's modify our direct HTML now. Let's go to the template, direct HTML. Okay, let's copy this index because remember we don't need all of these. We're just going to get rid of this from here. Goodbye. Let's copy this one. Copy, paste. Let's copy this one. Let's go to the bottom. Here, I guess. I don't know, here. Yeah, here. Block. Oops. And block. Okay. Top. So what we're going to do, we need to like delete all of these ones. Of course. Let's go here, okay, here, goodbye. We don't need you anymore. So for message in messages, now we're going to load, we're going to load all of these messages here in this side. So for message in messages, and for okay, now let's go with the picture. Of course, let's just go here. Let's copy this, the same thing, right? Let's copy this one just in case the user doesn't have a picture, so we don't want this to crash. Okay, actually here is picture, message, that user, the profile, let's change it here. Okay, here the name, message that user that profile that first name. Let's copy the same thing, put it here for the last name, and now here we want the message that username. Okay, I think we have that ready. Oh yeah, remember what I said about the menu, like this, like highlight thing? As you can see, it's in an A class, so you see it's like it's active. So that's why we have like the active direct. So like here, let's create a link. Let's move this one to here. So here will be class, and then let's create a new conditional. If active direct, remember here, this active direct, if the active direct is equal to message that username, that means that user is active. So let's put is active, right? And then here, and if not, boom, that's it. I think we're good. Let's save that, and then let's reload. Let's go here. Oh yes, it won't work because we need to create the URLs for our views. So let's go here. We don't have a URL file. Let's just create one. Let's say this one, urls.py. Let's go to post and like copy these ones. Let's copy this one so we don't mess with the structure. Paste it here. Let's delete all of these ones. And then from direct.views import inbox. Okay, now let's add this URL. Let's include these URLs to the main URLs. Let's go here. Let's copy this one. Copy. Paste it here. You can name it like messages or whatever. I will name mine direct, and then direct.urls. Okay, let's save that. Let's close. Let's go here. Now what we're going to do, let's go to the admin. Oops, we need to run the server. Run server. So we want to go to the admin. Oh yeah, let me include these ones in that admin from direct.models import a message, the admin.site.register message. Okay, we're here. What is this? Migrate. You won't probably have like this error. This is because I was messing around with this one, so migrate. Okay, let's go. Oops. Let me see. I need to change these ones because I was like messing. Just keep it like how you have it, right? You don't need to change this. Let me change this. Let me see here. Save that one. Views. Okay, save. Because the thing that okay, here we go. Just let it as you have it, right? Don't mix with that. Okay. Okay, let me delete these two. Yes. Okay. Now we have like 0 here, so let's add a message. So the user, this user, sender, this user to Bill Gates, hello. It's red. Yes, I guess, I don't know. Save. Let's create another one. User, this one, sending to this one. Hello. Back. Whatever. Okay, now we created like multiple users. Now let's go to direct. Same thing. We have like I need to do it. You don't have to do it because let's go to models. Yes, good. Okay, F5. Same thing. The views now. Here. Boom. Here we go. What's going on? Okay. And yeah, as you can see, this user just received a message from Bill Gates. That's why it's like here. So if we send another, let's go here. If we send another message, let's say this user is sending a message to Baron saying hello there. and then we refresh. So Bill Gates will be here, and then the new user will be on top. Let's refresh that. Let's see if it works. Oops. Let me see. Let me see which user. Wait, let me log out. Direct. Oh no, the Bill Gates is not working. Let me see. Oh, we haven't saved it. Okay. Yeah, because the thing is that we log out from this user. Okay, let me check. Okay. Save. Let's see. Oh no. Yes. So we have to send recipient, sender, la. Let's check here. Okay. Now let's go here. So let's say I'm sending a message. Byron code. Hello there. Save. And then we refresh. And yeah, that's how it is. Because we need to like, so as you can see, we can like load the message from this user. This is the active because this is the last one. And yeah. So also don't mess with your like views and like models. I changed it because I created like this this app before. That's what I have to do. That's what I had to do it. But yeah, the inbot is kind of working. So in the next video, we're going to modify this and like make it to work, so we can actually send messages and also like load all the messages here, because now we're just loading the conversations. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.